Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my July Beauteque Beauty Box. Hey, in July! That's what's up. So, this is a K-Beauty box, super affordable. Let's check it out. Ooh, Beach Ready Essentials. Hello, beautiful. We have everything you need for a perfect day out at the beach. Whether it's getting ready or post beauty care, we got your back. Enjoy the sun, shore, and sand with us all month long. I don't think this is correct. So let's see. I think I got the wrong insert, guys. Oops! I got a Mask Maven insert instead of a Beauteque Beauty Box insert. So I'm not sure. This is the first time they've ever made a mistake like this. Let's see. I guess I'm just guessing. Because I Miss You oil off paper. I love these oil papers. Have them in my backpack. Hydrogel Glam Lip Mask. Ooh, cool water soothing aloe vera oil. Oh, aloe vera, looks like an aloe vera gel to me. I can't read Korean. Black eyeliner. Anti-stress cooling spray. Wish I had an insert, guys. Beauty foot stick. For soft and healthy foot. Yeah. Okay, so this is a little bit harder with no insert. So let me just pull up the phone real quick. Beauteque. Beauteque monthly. August. Oh, wait, no. July 2019. Let's see what it says. So the theme is a beauty box. And not really seeing anybody else's pictures yet. So, let's look at this. Spoilers really quick. It's Beach Ready Essentials. And I kind of feel like I've seen this on their Instagram. But I've already started seeing previews for their August box. So it's hard for me to like know what are the spoilers. So let's see. I'm not finding any. We're just gonna have to wing it. This is the Beauteque Beauty Box. I accidentally got an incorrect. Yep, it's the right amount of things. I accidentally got the Lord have mercy, Mask Maven insert, so I actually have no idea what some of these things are. You know where I might have more luck is Instagram. Sorry, I'm trying to pull this up on my channel on my phone so that we can actually know what the heck we're looking at. Okay, Sky Lake Anti-Stress Cooling Spray. So that is relieve stress and knotted muscles from your back, leg, shoulder, and more with this anti-stress cooling mist. After a long day at the beach or being on your feet all day, spray this mist on the trouble area and feel a cooling sensation. That's kind of neat. So they have their little spoilers. Let's see. Oh, Beauty Box Aloe Farm Aloe Vera 96% cool water soothing gel. This multi-purpose soothing gel contains 96% concentrated aloe vera extract which deeply moisturizes and relaxes dry skin. I really wish I could find the dang spoiler for this foot. Oh, here we go. Medi Flower Beauty Foot Stick. This moisturizing beauty stick relieves dryness and damaged feet. Perfect for use after a day at the beach. Contains olive oil, argan oil, apricot seed oil, and shea butter, which brings intense moisture and healing properties to the feet. It can also be used on any dry skin areas such as elbows, knees, and hands. Cool. Everything else I'm just going to have to roll with it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Eyeliner, lip mask, oil paper. But this has been my Beauteque Beauty Box for the month of July. I'm going to have my project pan update coming up probably the day after this is posted. Spoiler alert, it ain't going well. So stay tuned, because there's going to be some moving and shaking, and when it doesn't go well, I have to get rid of a box. So stay tuned for that. At any rate, as always, please like, comment, subscribe. This is much longer than usual for a Beauteque box, but here we are. Thanks for watching, guys.